දැන් ප්‍රෝග්‍රෑම් පශමස් පහක් කොල්ල අනුමගේ හෙන්දුන හෙන්දුනා ප්‍රෝග්‍රෑම් ගති බෙෆ්නා හැම වර ගින කන්තත්තක ගුලේ මාලුමාත් ගෙනස්ත මෙගොතු මිවගොතු සාස කොල්ලා අනිවාර හාසකමුත හෙන්
දැන් රාජෙන් බේර කියවන් දියුමකි හැම වර ගිනාද දෙක දිවෙහින් කුරා කමෙන් දැන් රාජෙන් බේර කියවන් දායරෝ මේ වර ගින කුම්ෆුඩිතන් එබොහරි නත් වර ගින ෆාරාතන් එබොහරි මිකම්ගේ හිතර කම ගාතේ ෆෝර් කොද්දේ දැන් ඒගොතුන් අල්මෙන හැම පහක කොල්ලෙවේ මේ කුම්ෆුන්ජ මේ කියු ස්ටඩි එකි දැන් මයි කියු ස්ටඩි දිවෙහි රාජ්‍යක මේ කියන්නේ නම් මලේසියාගේ කියු ස්ටඩි මේ කියන්නේ ඒ overseas education consultancy හිතම දේ ෆාරාත දැන් මේ වගොතු එබෙෆ්ලොන් අල්මෙන එකීක ස්ටුඩියෝ වඩාන් එබතිබ්බේ වරන් හාස් ෆෙයාන් එබෙෆ්ලොන් ඉතිසාම එබ කුරා වහෙම ලස් නුකොන් අල්රන් හැම එදිමාල මේ හරු මේ පස්සිය කොල්ලනේ ඉංගත good morning.
Good morning.
Selamat pagi.
Selamat pagi. Assalamualaikum.
Walaikum assalam. So we have Vijay, Chief Executive Officer of Q Study Maldives, and then we have Maryam Shaufa, Regional Manager. Welcome to hen'dhunaa.
Thank you.
Thank you so
Thank you for
much.
having us.
Welcome.
So since it's World Cup days, we would like to also ask about your favorite teams. What is your favorite?
Mine is always Spain.
Oh, there you go. You are my amigo now.
How about you?
I'm also Spain. We
Oh,
have
we
a
have
Spain
to
fan.
about it.
Great. All right. So can we start with an introduction of Q Study? What is it about?
Q Study is registered officially, legally in Malaysia since 2017. And we have 8 offices around the world, okay, to serve students. So we have Q Study Nusantara, Indonesia, Q Study Uzbekistan in Central Asia. So we have my Q Study in Maldives, been in Maldives since 2019. Even recently some people advertise that we have rebranded. No, Q Study is always Q Study, never rebranded. It's always serving students for top universities with best services and everything. So our objective, we do not work as agent, we do not work as a consultant, we work as a guardian. We guide students to the right university, not taking side of any particular university because we don't have contract with other universities. We have contract with every universities, top universities, government universities, foreign branch universities, top 300 in the world and all that. And we provide them A to Z services into where they arrive in Malaysia, accommodation, guardianship, even their loan money is not released. We give them pocket money to spend. That kind of services we have because we always come with a tagline, no one else can do like us. Because it's proven track record. I think you can ask our students who are living in Malaysia. We have activities for them. We do gathering for them. We take care of their welfare and all that. So that is a part of Q Study. Not only sending them for study abroad, we also take care of the welfare and affairs of the students.
So nobody else can do it like you do.
No one can do like us because we have an office in Maldives. We have an office in Malaysia. The team in Maldives send them up to airport and we receive and we take care of everything. We do not just put it in advertisement. We do not advertise that, but we do it what we win. And another thing is we also handle dependent visa, spouse visa, parents visa and everything. I think many parents are contacting us to, for us to help the kids and all that. So we assist everything.
කොබැතෝ මේ ස්ටඩි ෆෙයා කුරියද්දාන් රාවා ෆොයි ගොතකී දැන් කොන්තුන් තන් තනිගතෝ නුවත එම්මේ තනිගතෝ කුරියද්ද මජෆත්
study fair furtama dos miyadakin ta dargon mega study fair korea dani Barcelona sanduraga 18th and 19th ga then korea dani 20th ka which is Brightway International School ga so mi tindu ki study fair ga hama ane eke kantata hama refer nani hulumala and malega
එහෙම ස්ටඩි ෆෙයා කුරිය දාවාහක විදක් කණි දැන් ස්ටඩි ෆෙයා එක මේ වරගෙන හරකත්ත ගෙන ෆාරුවරේ දැන් තෆාත්වා ගොතෙන් එබෙත්තෝ මේ ෆාරුගේ ස්ටඩි ෆෙයා
මේ ෆාර එම බොඩ් තෆාතකි මේ ස්ටඩි ෆෙයා ගොලිෆයින් නන වර්ල්ඩ් කප් ආයත දැන් අනේ කුරිය වරෙන් ඉතුරු යුනිවර්සිටිස් තවස් බෑවර ෆෙනන් දාල්වන් මෙන්ගේ මේ වර්ල්ඩ් කප් ගොලිගෙන් බෙව මේ බය කොදි හරකත්තවග කොදෙන්න ඉනාමස් ලිබි වෝචර් එච්ස් වස්තු කරානේ අත දාල්වන් මෙන්ගේ ස්ටඩි ෆෙයා ගහම කොඩස් තෙන්නවෙ ගොතන් ඇප්ලිකේෂන් ලොමා මේ විසාගේ කන්තතව සම ඔන්නගේ බලා ලෙවෙන කොදෙනන් ඇස හොරිහා යුනිවර්සිටිස් තකව සම මීට් කොල්ලා ෆේ යුනිවර්සිටිස් බේනවා ක්වෙස්චන්ස් තන් හම අහලා වගුතන් ඇප්ලයි කොල්ලා වගුතන් හම සෙටල් කොල්ලා වෙන්නේ අත දැන් කවුන්සලර්ස් ස්තෙබෙන් මසල්ක කැරියර් ගයිඩන්ස් මකාල් කන්තත බේනවා කොදෙන්නව සෙහිතරිකම් ෆෝර් කොද්දම් වකින් ස්ටුඩන්ට් ලවුන්ජෙන් හම ඉන්නානේ අත එහෙම මයක හල තෆාත්ත කොරිය වර හම වර බොඩ් තම ස්තෆාතන් පහර
since Since she has mentioned about the career guidance, it's very important to know the students to choose which is the most eligible or which is the most suitable career for them to choose which course. So I would like to ask, what are the most courses that among the Maldivian student, the famous one, or they are choosing, which is the...
See, famous courses. I've been doing this for last 28 years. So we are not like tomorrow we just set up something and then we say, oh, we are new. No. I've been involved in this for 28 years. I think Maldivian students are very much into computing, data science, AI, and they are very much into engineering. Okay, when you come to business sector, they are more into IR, international business. Quite a number of them like to do accounting. So being a Q study from Malaysia, we connected to all the universities. You can see in our social media, we do not promote one or two universities because we only got one or two contracts with the university. We represent everyone, top ones, okay? And I think we promote special programs where Maldivian students should explore. It's not about new, it's about being different than the rest. Because if everybody do the same, what's the job market that be? So recently we have one student, okay, we recommended for integrated engineering. It's only open to 50 students a year, and we got one Maldivian students at University Petronas, Malaysia. Technology Petronas is very, very popular program. It's limited to only 50 students. And proud, there's only 2 international students. One of them is from Maldives. So we have this kind of program, and we also have unique program like Southampton. We have students doing astronaut and aeronautic. Okay, the program might not be available here, but job scopes is open worldwide. So these are the popular programs I would say. Then there are quite a number of range of programs we have. And recently we have new program that we almost have about 5 to 7 students, if I'm not mistaken, in marine biology, marine science fishery. So we have a specially brought over University Malaysia Terengganu here to speak to the students, and we're having a workshop in CHSE Malay for marine biology students. So this is a new program in Maldives, and we are encouraging a right education pathway. That's why we say we are, no one can do like us. We go for the uniqueness, yes.
That is a very bold promise, I believe. And I was just wondering, Shaufa was telling us about the fair. Is there anything you would like to add from your end?
Okay, she spoke in Dhivehi, so I hope that she covered that. And regarding the fair, you see, Q Study, we are the largest and the biggest fair. We do in Basilo, not in a small room. We do it in a big scale, the whole ballroom. And I think we have more than 30 over exhibitors, universities. And we have government universities, we have the UK, Australia foreign branches. We have Monash here. We have government university, UKM, UTM, UMT. We have top universities like Taylor, Sunway, UTP, UniKL, MSU, the top ones, APU, they are all there. And we also have foreign universities, a representative from India, from Thailand, we have European universities. So this time we are already different event, okay? You can see every time we do a study fair, Basilo, suddenly you see advertisement come out, they say come to our office to meet the universities for the open day. But actually you can come to Basilo, it's a 5-star hotel, we give you a 5-star service, meet the universities, win 5,000 rupiah for predicting which team will win in the World Cup.
5,000 rupiah?
5,000
My
rupiah.
goodness.
And then we also have daily question for students to win coffee bean voucher. We are giving visa waiver. Whoever applied to Malaysia, depends on which university, visa fees is waived. We give back the visa fee. Flight ticket fees, we give back certain amount. We give cash back. So all this can happen today and tomorrow and the day after tomorrow in Ulu Malay. And we have a university application lounge where they can sit down and speak to the counselor to guide the right one.
Oh, that makes me want to go back to university.
And come over.
ಅವರಾಗ ಗಿಡ ಮಾಲೂಮಾತ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಮೆನ ಹಮಲಿ ಬಿಗೆ ಮಿ ದೇಬೆತ್ತೋ ಮಿ ಫೆಯಾಯ ಗುಳಿಗೆನ್ನುವ ತಮ್ಮಿ ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸಿಟಿ ಅನ್ನುವ ಮಿ ಕೋಸ್ತಕ ಅಲಂಗ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಕೂರಂ ಬೇಣುವಾ ಫೈರಾತಕ ದೇಂ ಬೇಣುವಾ ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಸಲ್ಕ ದೆಮ್ಮೆ ವಾಕ್ತ ಚಲ್ಮನ ಫಾಹ ಕುರಿಬಿಗೆನ್ ಗೊಸ್ಸಿ ವರಗ ಗಿನ ಬೆನಿಫಿಟ್ಸ್ ತಕೆ ಹುರಿವಾ ಏನಂತ ಕೊಬಾತೋ ಫಾಹ ಕೊಲ್ಲಂ ಬೇಣುವಾ ಕಮಕಿ
ಆನೆ ಫಾಹ ಕೊಲ್ಲ ಗೊತ್ತ ಮಿ ಫಾರ್ಗ ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಫೆಯಾಗ ಹಮ ಮಿ ವಿಸಾ ಫೀ ವೇವ್ ಕೊರಮ ಮಿ ಕಾಲ ಬಾವರ್ ಫುರ್ಸೆತ್ತಕ ಲಿಬಿಗೆನ್ ದಾನ ಕೊದೆನ್ನ ಮಿ voucher for the voucher was living in the Nekala me ෆුට්බෝල් ඇති ප්‍රිඩික්ට් කොරා කොදෙන්න තද අසො මි ෆෙයාගේ බේනුමකි එක රාජ්‍යම් බේර දාම් බේනුවා කොදෙන්න මිහික මේ නේංගි ෆමිති බැනි නොදත කොන් දායිරා කොන්කම කොරිය දානේ එහෙම අල්ගොන්නස මි ෆොර්සතකි අනේ මේ යුනිවර්සිටිස් තක දිමාව යුනිවර්සිටිස් තක වාහක දක්කාලෙම එකොදෙන ආස්ලෝෙන් ගැන එම්මෙ දායිරා කොන් නොන්කම් මි හොන්නනි මර රාජ්‍යග ඔල කොදෙන්න වාගතකි එක ෆ්‍රෙන්ඩ්සුන් කෑරෙන් මෙහ අහාලීම එකොදෙන්න මේ ඉන්න පොපියුලර් කෝස් මේ ඉන්නනි බොඩ දත්ත එක මිකහල මේ ඉවෙන්ට්ස් තකන් අයිම they will actually know එබ හොරිකම් වර බෑවර courses that they can actually try the එහෙම මිකහල මේ study phase තකන් ඇස හොරිහා universities තක වාහක දක්කාලෙම this will be something that they can get අනේ ෆුර්සත ලැබෙන මේ එකහල මේ courses තක මාලුමාත් තන් ඉතොරංගි අලොන් අනික මේ ඩිස්කස් කොල්ලාගෙන් දෙන්කොන් දායරයකොන්තෝ දානේ එහෙන් ඩිසයිඩ් කොල්ලා ඒ ඩිසයිඩ් කොල්ලා ෆදෙන් ඇප්ලයි කොල්ලා ඇප්ලිකේෂන් දෙමෙන්නනි අනේ මේ 20th ක හොළමාල බ්‍රයිට් වේග සෝ ඇප්ලයි කොල්ලන් අදනේ ගොත ඩිසයිඩ් කොල්ලා
ವರಪುಡ ಶುಕ್ರಿಯಾಂಗ ತೊಳಮಂಗತಿ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ದೇವಿ ವಾಗುತ್ ಕೊಳಟ ಉಮೇದ್ ಕೂಡ ಹಮತಿ ಬೆಫ್ರಂಗತಿ ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಫೇ ಬೆಹಗಿನ ಮಾಲೂಮಾತಕ್ಕೆ ಬೆಲುಂತರಿನ ಹಿಸಾಬ್ ಬರೋನು ಕೊಹೆನ್
Thank you Vijay, we are convinced that there's nobody like your company.
Thank you very much. Yeah.